Hey there! So, picture this. You're happily connected to your Wi-Fi network, but you're unsure if your router supports the 2.4 GHz band, as well as the 5 GHz band. That's our little problem for today. Now, for the solution to our little Wi-Fi band dilemma. The awesome macOS built-in app called Wireless Diagnostics is here to save the day. Simply open the app, skip past the introduction pop-up, and head over to the menu bar. Click on Window, then select Scan. Voila! You'll see all the information about Wi-Fi networks, including the all-important band column. Solution time. Remember, Wireless Diagnostics is your best friend in this scenario. Open the app, skip the intro, go to Window, hit Scan, and there you have it, all the details about the Wi-Fi networks at your fingertips. To wrap it all up, we've successfully tackled the mystery of checking if your Wi-Fi router supports both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands. It's been a pleasure diving into this tech solution with you. Remember to subscribe, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay connected and stay curious.